To install the Node MCU, take a Node MCU and hold the Node MCU like this. Then apply the pressure on two sides for a smooth installation. After that, take a breadboard. You can see here there is a 5 number of rows of holes on this side and another 5 number of holes on this side. So we need to attach a Node MCU on row number 2 here and row number 9 here. So attach a Node MCU in such a way manner so Node MCU can attach on a pin number 9 and pin number 2 like this. You can see here a Node MCU pins are attached on hole number 2 and 9. Then place like this and apply some pressure on it. After this, you can see a Node MCU is fitted perfectly. After completion of Node MCU setup, in the next video we're going to see the further connections.